This dance is called Slowing Down. It's a 32 count, 4 wall, low intermediate level line dance with 1 tag. Starting on the right foot, step the right forward, sweep the left. Step forward on the left, sweep the right. Into a jazz box, cross, back, side, step forward at the end. That set of steps once more then. Step sweep off on the right. 7, 8. Step, sweep, cross, back, side, step. Side touches. So step the right to the side, touch left beside right, left to the side, touch right beside left. Slow chassé to the right, side, close, side, touch. Nice easy little section, side touches off on the right. 7, 8, side, touch, side, close, side, touch. Let's add that to the top. Step sweep off on the right. 7, 8, step, sweep, cross, back, side, step, side, touch, side, close, side, touch. Vine to the left with a quarter turn on the end. Step left to the side, cross right behind, quarter turn left, brush that right forward. Into a mambo half. So you're going to rock forward on the right, recover the weight back on the left, half the turn, right as you step forward on that right, hold. That section once more then, vine quarter turn to the left. 7, 8, side, behind, turn, brush, mambo, half, hold. Add that to the top. Step sweep off on the right. 7, 8, step, sweep, cross, back, side, step, side, touch, side, close, side, touch, side, behind, turn, brush, mambo, half, hold. Chase, half turn. So we step forward on the left, pivot half a turn to the right, step forward on the left, hold. To finish the dance, rocking chair. Rock forward, recover, rock back, recover. That set of steps once more then. Chase half turn off on the left. 7, 8, step, period, step, hold, rocking chair. Let's add that to the top, all the way through. Step sweep off on the right. 7, 8, step, sweep, cross, back, side, step. Side, touch, side, close, side, touch, side, behind, turn, brush, mambo, half, hold, step, pivot, step, hold, rocking chair. Now you have got the equivalent of a full turn in there with that mambo half and that chase half turn. Should you need to take that full turn out, because it straddles those last two sections, what you can actually do, once you've done your vine, quarter turn with your brush, rock forward on your right, recover the weight on the left, instead of making that half a turn, step back on that right, hold. Then for the chase half turn, rock back on the left, recover your weight on the right, step forward on the left, hold, and you can just add on your rocking chair. So non-turning steps should you need to take that equivalent full turn out. Otherwise, that is your dance, and there's not an and count in sight. But it is a 4-wall dance, so let's have a go at the other 3 walls. Step sweep off on the right. 7, 8, step, sweep, cross, back, side, step, side, touch, rush, mambo, half, hold, step, pivot, step, hold, rocking chair. Step, sweep, cross, back, side, step, side, touch, side, close, side, touch, side, behind, turn, brush, mambo, half, hold, step, pivot, step, hold, rocking chair. Step, sweep, cross, back, side, step, side, touch, side, close, side, touch, side, behind, turn, brush, mambo, half, hold, step, pivot, step, rocking chair. So that is your dance. Now there is one little tag in this dance. It comes at the end of wall 4. Wall 4 will be our 3 o'clock wall. When you get to the end of wall 4, you'll be facing 12 o'clock. Your tag, quite simply, is some modified step pivot halves. So you're going to step forward on the right, hold, pivot a half turn left, hold. Step forward on the right, hold, pivot a half a turn left, hold. That is your tag. So just do that once more again, there's no and counts in it whatsoever. Off on that right. 7, 8, step, hold, pivot, hold, step, hold, pivot, hold. So you have again got the equivalent of a full turn in that little set of steps. If you want to try and take that out, what you can actually do is turn it into a rocking chair with holds in. So you'll rock forward on the right, hold, recover your weight on the left, hold. Rock back on the right, hold, recover your weight on the left, hold. Non-turning tag steps. So end of wall 4. Wall 4, like I said, is our 3 o'clock wall. So let's take you up to the end, add on the tag, and restart the dance. Step sweep off on the right. 7, 8, step, sweep, cross, back, side, step, side, touch, side, close, side, touch, side, behind, turn, brush, mambo, half, step, pivot, step, rocking chair, tag, step, pivot, restart, step, sweep. So that is your tag. Hope you can see how that fits in. End of wall 4. So that's it. That's your dance. That's your walkthrough. It's your tag information. Let's give it a go to the music. Five, 6, 7, 8. Step, sweep, cross, back, side, step, side, touch, side, close, side, touch, side, behind, turn, brush, mambo, half, step, rocking chair, step, sweep, jazz, side touch, chasse, volume, mambo half, chase, rocking chair. Step sweep, jazz, side touch, chasse, vine, mambo half, chase, rocking chair. Step sweep, tag wall, side touch, vine, chase, tag, step, pivot, step, sweep, jazz.
Chase every inch of you. I like the rush when it's Baby, make it easy. I'll take the long way round, just as long as you're with me. In a city full of neon, burning too bright. Baby, you're my yellow light. You make me wanna slow down. You make me wanna slow down. You make me wanna slow down.
Hope you managed that one.